Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love on piano. We'll begin by understanding the song's foundation. Keyshia Cole's Love is beautifully set in the key of F major, giving it that warm, soulful sound. The tempo is quite slow, around 59 beats per minute, allowing for expressive playing. We'll break down the main chord progression, starting with the left hand's bass notes and then moving to the right hand's harmonies. For the left hand, we'll establish the harmonic foundation. Begin by playing F and A together, just below middle C. Hold these notes as the right hand plays its part. Next, move to a single D bass note, followed by a G bass note. Conclude this four-part progression with a B-flat bass note. Each bass note provides the root for the corresponding right-hand chord, creating a rich, full sound. Now let's focus on the right hand, where the melody and chord voicings come alive. For the first part, play the four-note chord C, E, G, and A, repeating it 4 times while holding the left hand. Then, transition to C, E-flat, F-sharp, and A. The third chord is a B-flat major triad, B-flat, D, and F. Finally, play D-flat, E, G, and B-flat. These voicings capture the song's distinctive harmony. Bringing both hands together is the next step. On the first beat of each chord change, play the left-hand bass note and the right-hand chord simultaneously. Then, hold the left-hand note while the right hand repeats its chord 3 additional times. Practice each chord transition slowly, ensuring smooth coordination. Once comfortable, gradually increase your speed, aiming for the song's original tempo of 59 beats per minute for a truly authentic performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.